Good morning. Yesterday I went to sleep in local time at 1 o'clock at night. It's about okay, but I wake up in Latvian time at 7. But I don't know, feeling okay. Probably this is kind of side effect of getting older, so sleep is not so important anymore. Break from work and stretch a little bit, and that is good chance to show you where I'm working and living now. So that's we get in, then we have shelves for stuff, also this thing and yeah, restroom, very simple, nothing interesting, just shower and kind of small restroom, and that is living room, master bedroom and kind of living room part, and that is one of my offices. Basically I'm sitting here on the couch until my back starts to hurt, and that is shelf with random stuff, camera lenses and so on, and TV. I don't know, I didn't try to turn it on. This is really interesting way to mount connections. Probably that was planned that TV will hang on wall and then will cover all of that, but I don't know, looks interesting. Fake plants. Actually this array is not bad. I'm sitting here first part of the day and working, but now my back is tired and I have to switch places. That part is nice. You can basically open both of those double doors and then you have way get out to the big terrace. Apartment is named Sunny Terrace, but today there is no sun in the sky. It is just, I don't know, clouds. So, but tomorrow I expect to work here because we will have 21 degrees. So one more door, basically you're getting into the kitchen. Nothing much to see, I don't know. Microwave, dishwasher, famous half-broken coffee machine. Yeah, espresso time. And that is my third office, because I have office there in living room, office there outside. And yeah, that's where I was sitting last night and edited my yesterday's vlog. Now it is time for one more espresso, and I will move here to work until lunchtime for a few more hours, and then I will go out to eat and I will take you with me. So if you're curious what's the point to move to another country and still work, so on the lunch break you can go and eat out and be a little bit a tourist for at least an hour. So that is cool. I heard that we are a little bit unlucky with weather. Right now it wasn't raining for 4 months so far, and now we have a little bit rainy days. But it is not horrible, it is kind of, I don't know, just a little bit raining. Tomorrow we expect to have 21 degrees. Looking forward to that. For reference, 21 degrees is good summer day in Latvia. So this is one of the famous foods in Portugal, in Porto, and that is francesinhas, basically. That is bread, cheese, meat. It is delicious, but I assume we will have food coma after that. Lunch break was just perfect. Francescas. That food is really interesting. A lot of meat, cheese, tasty sauce, a bit of bread. Basically, that is very, very fancy sandwich. And yeah, do I recommend it? Yeah, definitely try it out. Yeah, that is the reason why I don't like Joby, those gorilla stands. They are kind of handy, but sometimes they decide just to fall over. Okay, seems that camera is still working. That's great. Okay, it's time to say goodbye everyone at work in Slack, and I'm going out. So it is 5 o'clock and we are already 3 kilometers in our evening walk, and yeah, where we are in Porto in Portugal. Really nice city, and there are quite a lot of digital nomads, as I know, located here in Porto and in Portugal in general. Are we moving here forever? No, this is just a vacation and work mixed trip. Yeah, of course that is cheaper to live at home, but when I'm working from somewhere abroad, I still can do all my work and go out in the mid of the day, on the evening and so on, and just enjoy city. So that's really nice place, like it. And yeah, I can see myself living here, I don't know, for more than a few weeks, months, I don't know, whatever. Because it's really interesting, for me at least, to change places time to time. I'm not really home person who enjoys sitting at home all the time. I like to move around, see new places, see new people, and that's really great if you can work remotely, freelance, work for yourself, whatever. Then all doors are open, you can travel the world. And yeah, by the way, this is one of the main reasons why I dropped my corporate career in an office job, because working as programmer, you can work remotely, you can move around the world and, I don't know, work from any place. And yeah, spend time in different locations, travel slowly, because I believe that it is the best way to kind of enjoy the place, not just to jump here for, I don't know, few days, or yeah, for a few days in quick trip, but stay in place and live a little bit and see how locals are living. I really enjoy that. I know nothing about wines, but I know that Porto is famous by doing that their port wine, and seems that is kind of one of those port wine places.